Gathering is a common sewing term that describes when the fabric is bunched. This video will cover why it's done and how to do it. Gathering is commonly used in apparel sewing but can be done for a variety of reasons. It can be used to ease pieces, to create fullness, or to create ruffles. The more gathered the fabric is, the more ruffling it'll do. When you gather the correct way, the gathering should be evenly distributed. We don't want all the gathering to be in one area and less in another. Not only will it look off balance, but it can cause creases and pleats instead. To gather, choose the area that will be gathered and do 2 rows of basting stitches. You can do this by hand, but I prefer to do it at the sewing machine. Choose the longest stitch length on your machine. Don't do any back stitching. The 2 rows of stitches should be at the seam line and then about 1/4 of an inch inside the seam line. So in my example, I'll do it at the 5/8 line and at the 3/8 line. Doing 2 rows gives your gathering more strength. Starting at one end, take the top threads in one hand and pull them while holding the fabric in the other hand. You'll notice the fabric will start to gather. Make sure you move the gathering across the fabric length because again, we want this to be evenly distributed. If you're easing, it's the same technique, but you're only gathering a little bit to shrink the fabric area, and you should avoid major wrinkles at the seam line basting stitch. Otherwise, you may get a crease or wrinkle, and you want this to be smooth. If you're doing a lot of gathering to create a ruffling effect, after you finish gathering and distributing, I like to do another basting stitch over the gathering to hold everything in place. Then you can pin it to the next fabric piece and do a regular standard stitch to create a seam. You might want to do a slightly longer stitch length like a 3 when doing a seam with a lot of gathering. After you create the seam, the gather should now be locked in place and you can remove the basting stitches by pulling them out, and your gathering is finished and should look lovely. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of our new releases. Also check out ProfessorPincushion.com to view our complete library with well over 450 sewing tutorials. If you would like to directly support us, you can join our YouTube membership and earn some exclusive perks. Thanks for watching.